From this evening, I must give the British people a very simple instruction. You must stay at home.
The world is stuck inside and I know everyone is pissed, but I'm doing fine. See, I take comfort in this blip. As a loner, I've never felt more alive. And hello world, join me on the inside. I've always walked outside with my head lowered to the ground, and no one ever saw me, even when I was around. As a loner, the world has given me time to find a friend. Behind a screen I thrive. So dare I admit, I welcome this change. For once I'm not alone, I'm not strange. Cause I don't want the world to go back where it used to be. I find joy behind a screen in my own company. The world wasn't kind to stories like mine. So now that we're all stuck at home, I am not alone. Dad no longer tells me to go out and make a friend. Gaming is enough now, being quirky is a trend. As a loser with no friends by my side, I can stay indoors, no need to make up lies. Doctor says anxiety, my mother will not hear. Struggle to cope with it, so she makes it disappear. As a loser, I know I make her cry, but when I ask, she always says she is fine. So dare I admit, I welcome this change. For once I'm not alone, I'm not strange. Cause I don't want the world to go back where it used to be. I find joy behind a screen in my own company. The world wasn't kind to stories like mine. So now that we're stuck at home, I am not alone. And I know that life has slowed down. I have found some friends on the line. Don't know yet if they like me, but finally I get replies. I know they'll soon forget me. It's only a matter of time. So I just wanna stay inside. I don't want the world to go back where it used to be. I find joy behind a screen in my own company. The world wasn't kind to stories like mine. I know it's a matter